It's John Champion and Jim Beglin alongside me here at Old Trafford.
Well, thank you. I think this is a brilliant atmosphere awaiting these players today. I can't wait for this one to start.
Pass intercepted. He's got in. He's looking to play it into the channel. This could be interesting. Driven in. Steered away. It's on for him. Well cleared. A fine display of slick passing. Oh, so close!
Well, when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
Long pass forward. 15 minutes have passed. Looking to carve open the defence.
Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
He so nearly exploited that mistake.
Well, it was commitment that nearly earned him a goal there. Once he won the ball, he was always going to try his luck.
Ball stolen. He plays the ball out wide. It's well cleared. Got it. This is lovely passing to watch. It's come through to him nicely. That could have been really special.
Oh, he can't be happy missing that after being put clean through. That's about as good a chance as you can get.
And they look for the spaces on the flanks. It's cleared. Almost half an hour gone. Great chance for the counter. And he's still going. Plays this forward.
Well, the passing is not quite the problem. They just need better movement if they're going to drag this defence out of position.
Tried to play it through. He gets his shot away, and he makes absolutely no mistake. It's 1-0. Great goal that. Great team goal, in fact.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
So we resume at 1-0.
Well, let's put him in the driving seat, but there's a lot of football left in this one yet, believe me.
Intercepted. Only one goal in it here then, with the half-time break only 5 minutes away. Wants to get this forward. Caught him there, free kick. Hits a ball in. No way through there. No, it's been cut out. Half-time is now upon us.
Well, this 1-0 lead is not really a fair reflection. They're in much more control than this.
More action and excitement to come in the next 45 minutes. The scoreline at the moment, 1-0. Looking to thread it through. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee. A long ball forward. He's got in. Shooting chance! Really good try, but no goal.
The keeper was completely wrong-footed there, and he'll be relieved that that shot didn't stay on target.
Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. He knocks it in. Keeper claims it.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Bit of space on the flank. Here's a chance.
Look, this game is all about goals, and that was as shot shy as it comes.
Sloppy pass, intercepted. It's on for him.
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
Cleared away to safety. He can take the shot on here. That was really close.
Well, look, his odds from that sort of range were never great, and yet he almost produced a very, very good finish.
Poor ball that's intercepted. Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. And he'll shoot here. He scores! They've taken a giant leap towards winning this game. That is a vintage goal.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, that goal makes such a difference to the whole dynamic of this game. That second goal puts them in control now.
Now an opportunity to cross. Got it. He plays it through, picked it off. No, possession lost. He's on the ball, where's he taking it? Dives for the header. They really should have made it 3-0 there.
Oh, that could so easily have been game over. There would have been no way back from 3 behind.
It's clear. Plays this forward. There's a shooting opportunity here. Shoots here. It's a corner. Cut out in a promising position. 85 minutes played. Slides it through. A shot! Another one! They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. Excellent work to intercept the pass, and then the finish too.
Well, you just can't give the ball away in the back like that, and in such a key area as well. That's exactly what they've done, and they've paid the price.
A brace of goals for him now. We resume again, the score is 3-0. The ball played out wide. Tries to slide it past the defence. Not on this occasion. And there is the final whistle. Their finishing was simply sublime, not just in creating chances, but making sure they were put away too.